oops, sorry. I think you can see it best like this. There goes part of the cochlea. Here's the eardrum, or the tympanic membrane. And then there's a bone attached to it right here called the hammer, or the malleus. That malleus is like mallet, right? It's Latin for hammer. Then the next bone, you can see there's a line separating. Here's the hammer. And then there's a line that separates the hammer from the anvil. And then the anvil is attached to the stirrup, or the stapes. Oh, another Latin word for anvil is incus, and you can always use these interchangeably. And then the stirrup, look at that, the stirrup looks just like a stirrup, doesn't it? And that's also called the stapes. So the hammer wiggles the anvil, which wiggles the stirrup, which wiggles the inner ear, and that's how you get your sense of hearing. Because then this information will go out the cochlea, cause the cochlea to fire action potentials down the vestibulocochlear nerve. Okay. So, are there some other parts on there, the ear, that I have on the list for you to know?
Where's the list?
Okay, I wondered if I had those on there. So, the oval window is, you see where the stirrup is attached to the vestibule? Right here? The stirrup is on the oval window. It's like this thing that goes, ooh, ooh, ooh. It's like a thinner part of the inner ear, so that when the stirrup wiggles like this, it causes wiggling inside of the inner ear. That's what the oval window is. So, if I were, the only way I could quiz on this would be as if I arrow here and I said, membrane that the stirrup is attached to, and then you could say oval window, but otherwise it's not gonna. But if it weren't for the oval window, this is bone, and so the stirrup would not be able to wiggle it very easily. So the oval window is a membrane rather than a hard bone. Now the round window is on the back side. It looks like a little dimple. There's a little dimple there. And that is another tiny weak spot in the bone so that pressure can be relieved. Because imagine if you push in on a fluid-filled space, which is what's inside of the inner ear. If you push in on that, then you've got to have some give somewhere, right? And the round window then goes out. So when the oval window pushes in, the round window goes out. Like that. That's what the oval and the round windows are. Was there anything else on there?
Yeah, which one was it?
It looks like it's number 14 on here. It's like this little dimple.
Oh.
See it here,
Right.
Here.
You can't see it on that because it's on the back side.
Okay.
Yep.
Like a pimple.
It looks, oh, okay. It looks like a pimple. So, who did I take this from? You guys?